Okay, so you're literally going to begin by just using your boot to move leaves out of the way. If you have a rake, that's great too, but this is minimalist. You can literally just go out into the woods and begin making a trail, move the leaves out of the way to expose the forest floor. So you can use some clippers to take out big sticks or limbs that are going to be hanging into your trail. If you're riding a bike through, you don't want to catch handlebars on any of the limbs. If you're hunting, you don't want your scent on anything. And if you don't have any clippers, usually you can just twist and pull limbs out of the way. Grab the big pieces, move them out of the way, and then whenever you're kicking the leaves, you don't want to just leave a huge pile next to your trail, because then if the wind blows, it's going to blow it right back into the trail. So I like to just kick it all to the side and then minimize the pile by just continuing to kick it. And I just do this, pull little things out of the way, and just continue making my trail. And this is after I've kind of scouted out an area that I know that there's not big trunks in the way or anything that's really in the way. And then you're just going to kind of visualize where you want your trails to go. And you can even walk through it a bit and kind of drag your feet, and then you've already got a base made, and then you're just going in and making it better. So that's the first trail that I made. Cut that out of the way. I like to make it kind of fun, so go in between these two little trees. That's a little bit of a ravine right there, so nice scenery. Trails are great. So again, use what you have. I found this stick, so it was working great to help get a lot of the leaves out of the way. And I'm just trying to show the bare floor, the bare forest floor. Just keep moving everything out of the way and just continue to make your trail. So I'm going to show you, this is the first trail I made probably about 2 weeks ago. It's not covered up too much. We had bare forest floor and some of the leaves have fallen, but it's still visible, and especially if you're using it, it'll stay that way. So that trail straight ahead leads to my house. Well, we're going to take a left and go deeper into the woods and see where these two connect. So I find that if you make trails, you'll be outside more, you'll be in the woods. They're just fun to be on, fun to make. You can see the animals have used them. There was a buck rub back there that was a little bit older. But depending on what you're using it for, if you're riding a bike, or in my case, if you might be hunting, I want to see where I'm stepping. I don't want to step on a snake if it's barely visible, and you can walk through the woods a lot quieter. So again, just adding to some of the character of the trail. We're about to come up to like an old ditch, and I dug out a little footstep there so you can step and then go. And you can see this is nothing but a field of overgrown shrubs, and I completely cut out everything with some clippers. So I've got some more footsteps, and then in a minute we're just going to speed this up and show you the field that I have all through here. So it doesn't matter what you're working with. If it's overgrown, if it's just woods, you can always clear it out and use it for whatever you want to use it for. Okay, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Maybe you learned something. It's definitely fun to make trails for whatever you're using it for. It's fun for the family to walk through, so definitely get out there and make them. Let me know how it goes.